What is this?
White
White
line.
line.
Yes, Cyan got it.
First. Team cheese.
What is this?
Dead body
Under
on
my
under my dead
dead
body.
I said
Me,
first.
me, 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 me.
What?
Under
Under
my
my
dead body.
What do you say?
Under my dead body.
No, that's not correct.
Oh.
Over my dead body.
Yes! I was like, what are you guys talking about? Under my dead body. Over my dead body. What is this?
Somewhere under the rainbow.
Nope.
Rainbow somewhere.
Come on, guys. This is like very...
On top of the rainbow.
No, this is very general. It's a song. That's a hint for you guys. Mommy even sing it for you guys.
Somewhere in the red or...
Are you serious? You guys Gen C and Gen Alpha do not know the song? The audience gonna laugh at you guys,
What is
man.
it?
I don't care.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
What song is that?
What is this?
Once in a blue moon.
That's correct.
No!
What is this?
Jackbox.
Jack in the Box.
Jack out of the box.
No, it's Jack in the Box. That's correct. What is this?
Nah.
Just
Nah under nah.
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 Nah. What is this, guys? Come on.
Nah. Nah under nah.
No.
Nah over nah.
No. Okay, you want hint?
Yeah.
How many nah?
Two.
Tuna.
Yes!
Oh, tuna. Ah, you're losing.
My goodness, you said you didn't even realize that. Tuna! Alright guys, close game. What is this?
Broken heart.
I said heartbroken.
It's broken heart.
What?
What is this?
Elephant.
White elephant.
Yes, that's correct.
What is that?
Doesn't mean anything. What is this?
2 legs.
Nope.
Leg.
Yeah, it is like.
Long leg.
Yes!
Yes.
What is this?
Get it over it.
Nope.
Forget it.
Yes! Ah, good guess. What is this?
All around the world.
Yeah, I got it. What is this?
Underage. Middle age.
Yes!
Bro, I want to say something, but he keeps cutting me.
Hello, middle-aged person.
What is this?
1 time.
Nope.
1 over time.
What do you say?
1
One
over
over
time.
time.
No.
Time under one.
No.
Time under
You kind of say it, but it's not quite
1
right.
half time.
No.
one over time. One under time.
Time half 1.
No.
Time under one.
We are looking for a phrase here.
One over time.
What is 1 over time? This is not a phrase.
One
1 time only.
up time.
Huh?
Once in a lifetime.
Very close.
Once
Science.
upon a time.
Yes! Science giving it away. What is this?
Important
Both.
equals important.
No.
Both are
Both
important.
important.
No.
Equivalent important.
Oh my goodness, so close.
Equal important.
Yes! Now Gabby is giving it away. Good job.
Circle for the win.
No.
What is this?
Apple pie.
Yes,
Apple pie.
It's apple pie.
Wait. Oh, I didn't win yet. I didn't win yet.
oh.
Oh, man. I thought
Block
What's
it,
the
it's blocked.
pie? Wait, what's the pie?
that's a
Apple.
That's
Oh,
a math.
there's a pie sign there.
He doesn't know.
Oh.
It's not fair.
It's okay. Pan, what is this?
1 million. One in a million.
Yeah. Good
Yo.
girl.
High five.
What is this?
Please, pretty please.
Yes.
Pretty, please.
Pretty, please.
Where you get the pretty from?
It looks pretty, the writing.
I can't tell.
What is this?
Hearted.
Half heart?
Half-hearted.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Gave it away. She gave it away.
What is this?
Reading.
Nope.
Reading word
Reading.
by word.
Nope.
Reading straight?
Nope.
Reading little by little.
Nope. Yeah, you see reading, that's correct. What else do you see?
Line.
So the line is located where?
In between. Reading in between.
With the line.
Mommy finish the sentence. Ready?
Yeah.
What is this?
I am on top of the world.
Yes.
Oh! Lucky. Lucky now.
What is this?
Looking backward.
What? What did you say?
Looking behind.
No.
Looking backward.
No.
Looking the opposite.
Looking
No.
around.
No. Cecilia kind of said.
Looking
but-
forward.
Cecilia kind of said it, but it's not quite right.
Looking behind
That's
ourselves.
not what I'm looking for.
Looking back.
Yes.
Looking back. Looking back, Zaya.
Oh, you should have blocked.
Oh,
Ready?
Yes.
What is this?
Half cake.
No.
Cake in half.
No.
Slide cake.
What is it?
Slide cake.
It's kind of correct. So I'm gonna give it to Zion. It's slice of cake.
What is this?
One apple.
Eh?
Apple
Two
pie.
apple.
Yes, Papa got it.
Apple pie.
Yes, bro.
That's the
What's the pie?
that's the
That's the
exact
pie numbers.
Exact pie.
The
number.
pie exact number.
What is this?
Broken
Broken
promise.
promise.
Papa got it. What is this?
Right equals right.
Eh?
Dou-
You said too much, but you kind of said it.
right is right.
Double right.
Equally right.
No, bro, that's so don't.
Right equal. Equal right.
Yeah.
Oh, equal right. Oh, equal right.
Equal rights.
What is this?
Bucket
Bucket
list.
Yes, Papa got
No,
it.
I think
I
if
got
we
it.
say
Papa said it.
together.
I
Papa
got it
said it
first time.
first.
No, I'm sorry. We say together, right?
No,
What is this?
Oh, we did
Squaring?
that. We did that one.
Bro, you just said it. We can hear it.
I wanted to win.
But you do something else. Do something else. I like it. You know what? Because your mama already did all of it. Not fair. It's not fair.
Which one? What is this?
3D movie.
3D movie.
Yeah, Mama.
Ah.
That's one of the most fakest thing I've seen in my life.
Not nice, bro.
Okay, that's it. This is the serious one.
Alright,
Whoever wins this, go.
each one. What is this?
Double egg ham.
It's just-
green egg ham.
No.
Yes, Mama.
What?
Green egg ham, right? Green egg and ham.
Yeah,
What is that?
that's a
That's
story
Dr.
title.
Seuss.
Oh, because Mama has read it to Zion when he was in kindergarten.
Papa, you ended up
Okay.
I don't. What?
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this?
Rabbit.
Oh.
Rocky. Wait. Rape.
Rocket.
It's rape. Yeah, give me that.
What?
Rocket.
Wait, what is
Where
it?
was
Rape.
Bro, where's Rocket?
Okay. What is this?
Okay.
Dinner.
Yes, dinner.
How can you that? How? It's not my game.
I know. This is like you have to fluent in English.
I'll let you get this.
Let's go.
All right. This one is good. What is this?
Hero.
Yes, hero. Yeah, good guess.
Bro. Do you have more?
What?
What is this?
honey.
Money.
Money. You got honey correct. You gotta change the H to M. You wanna give Zion like 2 seconds heads up?
Okay.
There you go.
You have to count.
1, 2.
House.
That's it. 2 seconds too long? Okay, how about 1
No,
second?
no, 2 seconds.
Still 2 seconds?
Mhm.
Ready? Go. 1, 2.
Market.
Nope. I actually like 3 second heads up right there. You gotta think.
Moon car.
Toon. Cat moon.
Nope. Come on, guys. Think.
Toon.
Cartoon.
Nope. Cartoon.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Banana.
Nope.
Cat.
Nope.
Bant. Bantana.
Nope.
Oh. Banana.
Yes. Good
What is
game.
the
Then ant.
The end, right?
Banana.
Special editions, we're celebrating our 100,000 subscribers. Whoever wins gonna win this flag. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Alright, what is this?
Summit.
Mountain is What is it?
Where's the S?
On the top.
Top spot.
First, let's do one by one. The S is where?
On the top.
The top.
Okay. The top, right?
Yes.
If you combine that letter.
Top of the mountain.
No, it's only one word.
Stop.
Yes.
Stop.
Yes.
Oh, S.
Because S and top.
Oh my.
What is this?
Huh?
It's a word. One singular word.
Detail.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a good one.
What is this?
G love. G.
Card.
Yeah, something like that.
Glove.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's a good one.
What is this?
Monday.
Yeah. Whoa, that's so fast.
Oh yeah, silver plate. I'm coming.
I thought it was Gmail.
Come on, what is this?
Love.
It's a single.
Line.
Mm,
Lane.
no.
Lane.
Lamb.
Yes.
Yes.
Lamb.
What is this?
Teacup.
It's one singular word.
Alright, one word. It's yellow cup tea bag. One word.
It is tea.
Tea. Okay. Tea time.
Tea bag.
It's one word.
One word.
Team.
Yes.
That's the M in there. Yeah.